I'm going to show you how to extract data from an email body into Excel. Now, this is pretty neat. We're going to be using a tool called Lido. Here's an email, sample test email that Andres sent me, and we've got just some values in here. First name, last name, order number, order date. Could be anything, but we're going to use this sample to illustrate how to do this using Lido, a spreadsheet automation tool that has some pretty cool data extracting functions that I've used in previous videos recently to get data from different sources like images, PDFs, so forth and so on. Today, let me show you how to do it. Coming up here to go to the data extractor tool, and then right here, we've got email as an option. So we're going to click email, and this is going to generate a unique email address for you. So if you're logged in, you're not going to see this random selection of strings. It's going to be something unique to you. We're going to copy this in our clipboard, head back over here, and I'm just going to forward this to that email address. And we can come back over here, X out of here, or actually we'll just refresh the Lido sheet and then go back into Tools, Data Extractor. It says even right down here, it's going to take about 20 seconds for this to work. Do not refresh. So it actually tells us not to refresh. So I did not do that correctly. At any rate, once it does its thing, here it is. So now we've got this email. We've got the extract button over here where I can extract stuff to the spreadsheet. So we've got columns down here where it suggests data to extract. And it's grabbing a bunch of stuff that, I don't need all these things, but I will use some of them. It's pretty smart in that it will do this automatically, and it can be even smarter if you need to down here tell it to do specific things. But on its own, it's pretty smart. Like I said, it's going to do a good job. I'm not going to add extra instructions for the AI, which you can if you need to. I really just want 4 things. So I don't need the sender. I do want the date, the subject, don't care about that. And actually, I don't care about the date itself. I want the order date. So you can see these 4 things in the columns. These are the 4 things that I actually care about getting. And you can also see that they're over here in our spreadsheet in Lido. That's where it's going to extract it into our spreadsheet. Okay, and now to do this, all we have to do is press process all emails. And it's going to roll through there, grab the data from the body in our email, and we can see that it works perfectly just like that. This is pretty cool. And if we ever want to export our values to Excel, then it's as easy as coming up here to the File menu and selecting this so that we can download the data as an XLSX file. Check this out. There's actually an option down here where you can extract data from attachments to the email instead of just the email body itself. We'll go over a walkthrough for this in a future video, so make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss that one. Now, I know you're looking at the old automate button right there. What is this about? Well, this is pretty cool. You can automate this process. So if you toggle this on every 5 minutes, Lido is going to check if anything has hit that inbox and automatically process it over into the spreadsheet. So if you've got everything set up to extract the data just like you want it, like we have here, you can keep emailing or forwarding emails to that inbox that's custom built for you, and it will automatically bring over all the data every 5 minutes. Then you can email the results to yourself. If we click this little box right here, it'll schedule a daily export of a CSV file. And I'm talking about this range right over here in our spreadsheet. It's going to, whatever we populate in here, it's going to export daily a CSV file to whatever recipient that we designate down here. And if we want, we can toggle this to automatically remove rows from the Lido spreadsheet after they've been emailed. So if we don't want to duplicate the stuff, like if tonight I get an email and it's got 15 lines or rows of data, well, I don't want to get that same data emailed to me. And so tomorrow it'll delete those rows from what it's already emailed. Pretty neat. Now, if you want to see some of the other things that you can automate, like pulling data from an image or from other PDFs or from your Google Drive, you can check out the playlist that I'll link somewhere around here. And I've got a link in the description where I've partnered with Lido, so you can check them out. Grab a free trial, see if this is right for saving time for yourself or your business. Hope it's helpful for you. Talk to you later.